Hey guys, are you looking for a replacement DeWalt battery? I got sent some over to check out and see if they work and how well they work. Ooh, these are 8 amp hour batteries. Check that out. Here's the original. Looks like it has a light on it. Check that out. That's good. And it has a little button you push right there, and it digitally tells you how much percentage you have left, and has the little bars on it, the power bars, if you will. Let's see if it'll actually fit on here. I haven't tried it yet. There we go. Works great. Actually, a little beefier looking battery than the original. Now, this is a 2-pack. Got a second one right here. Now, as I mentioned, it does have the indicator. Just hit that little power button and it'll tell you how much power it has in it. Also has the little flashlight button right over here. Just push that and you have a flashlight that will, in this case, face backwards, but you can pick it up and light up the area. Really bright light. Now, one of the unique features about this one, underneath this cover here, it has a USB-C port. It's bidirectional, which means you can charge the battery with a USB cord, or you can charge your other devices with the USB-C cord. So if you have a fan that uses the DeWalt battery, this would be an ideal battery to take on a little camping trip, because you could charge your phone, charge your laptop, and not to mention run on your fan, which this time of year is really a good thing. There you go. And of course it will charge on the regular charger anyway, so you can charge it either way, but the USB-C port makes it nice. Now, looking at the DeWalt battery and compare them, they are pretty much identical. There you go. This one is just bigger. Now, it does show 8 amp hour versus the 2 amp hour. That doesn't mean it's going to make your tools run faster and better. It just means it's going to let them run longer. And as far as using that USB-C port, this has 160 watt hours. So you don't have to worry about draining that battery very fast. All right, folks, whether you are looking for a battery that will charge your phone, oh, and it says super fast charging too. Charge your phone, charge your laptop, power your fan, or charge the battery up for your fan, whatever you need to do. You might want to check out these batteries right here. Definitely seem like they're going to be good ones. I like them. If you want to check these out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can go check them out and then decide for yourself if it's something that you might could use. Also, you might want to check out this playlist right over here. Might be something over there that will perk your interest. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.